trigonometry table trick. First write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. No divided by 4. 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 No taking square root. Square root. Square root. Square root. Square root. Square root. When 0 numerator 0 denominator, when the value of numerator 0, the answer is 0. So sine 0 equal to 0. 2 1 by 4 mean 1 by 4 we can write for 2 power 2. So square root 1 1 or square root 2 cancel 2. 1 by 2. Here 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. 1 square root 2. Here square root 3 divided by 2. Cancel 4 with 4. The answer is 1. So square root 1 is equal to 1. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by square root 2, square root 3 divided by 2 and 1. Now start from here. Here 1, write 1. Second, square root 3 divided by 2. Square root 3 divided by 2. 1 divided by square root 2. Next 1 by 2. Next 0. So sine 0 equal to 0, sine 30 equal to 1 by 2, sine 45 equal to 1 divided by square root 2, sine 60 equal to square root 3 divided by 2, and sine 90 equal to 1. Cos 0 equal to 1, cos 30 equal to this, cos 45 equal to this, cos 60 equal to this, and cos 90 equal to this. Thank you so much for watching.